Hello and welcome to this video on how to find the median and mean of a data set using Excel. It's quite straightforward. You need to use the median function or the average function depending on which one you're trying to find. You can look these functions up by going to the function icon, the little f with a sub x, clicking on this, and then you can look up median, click go, and you'll get the median function. When you click OK, you'll see under number 1, and then it has some values highlighted. I'm just going to get rid of all those, and I'm going to highlight everything in my data column here, and hit Enter. So my median was 39, which means half the values are below 39, half the values are above 39. You can see that the function in the formula bar is equals median, open parenthesis, first value, colon, scrolling down to the last value, right? You can look that up, or you can just remember that the function is equals, median, open parenthesis, highlight all the numbers, close parenthesis, enter. All right, same thing. So these are all median. The mean function is using the word average. I have more than once tried to put in the word equals mean and it always gives me an error. And then I have to remind myself, oh yeah, it's just called average in Excel. Again, you can find this by looking in the function menu. So click here, you can type average, click go, and you'll see average is the first one that pops up. There are several other averages. Don't use any of those. Just use the most straightforward one. Right. Again, for number 1, oh, and I didn't mention before, number 2 for median, just leave that blank. Same thing here, number 2, we're just going to leave blank. In number 1, highlight the data, scroll down again, all right, then hit OK, and we've got our mean. So that's the arithmetic mean, which means we add all of the values together and we divide by how many we had. Okay. You could look it up every time, or you could just type in equals average, open parenthesis, again, highlight the data, close parenthesis, hit enter. And that's our mean. And that is all you need to do to find the mean and median in Excel. I hope this was helpful.